Then we have to go with business studies also. I'm skipping the illustration number 5. I'll just read the question. This is Das and Sinha are partners. They're sharing profits and losses in the ratio 4:1. Pal is admitted for 1/4 share and he acquired this wholly from Das. This is very easy calculation. Go through that illustration once. Coming to your illustration number 6, which is about your sacrificing ratio. We already know what is the formula for sacrificing ratio. I taught this earlier in the last class. This is old PSR, your old profit sharing ratio minus new profit sharing ratio. Partners will sacrifice out of their old share because we should have something to sacrifice. Now, illustration 6 is very simple. Two partners are given, their new profit sharing ratio is given, and you have to calculate sacrificing ratio. Formula we know, we have to just put the figures in this formula and calculate. Okay. Rohit and Mohit are partners. Okay. Sharing profits and losses in the ratio 5:3. Then they admit Bijoy. Bijoy is admitted for 1/7 share. The new profit sharing ratio will be, they have already given new profit sharing ratio, will be 4:2:1. You have to calculate sacrificing ratio. Let us prepare again a statement for this. Calculation of sacrificing ratio. Rohit, Mohit, and Bijoy. Particulars. First, we will write old ratio, old profit sharing ratio. This is 5/8 and 3/8. Bijoy has no old share. Now, since we have to calculate sacrificing ratio, I'm writing here new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio is 4, 2, and 1. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. That is 4/7, 2/7, and 1/7. Your sacrificing ratio will be old minus new. That is 5/8 of Rohit minus his new share 4/7. Then 3/8 of Mohit minus 2/7 of his new share. He will not sacrifice anything. Bijoy will not sacrifice anything because he's a new partner. Rather, he will get. इनका कुछ calculation नहीं करना है. His new profit sharing ratio is already given. Calculate this. Again, mathematical calculation. फिर से वही करना है हमें. इसका LCM लेना है. Now 8 and 7 दोनों में कोई relation नहीं है. 8 into 7 is 56. Make the denominators 56. इस denominator को 56 बना दो. 5/8 को 56 बनाना है. 8 को तो 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. That is 5 into 7. Here 8 into 7. Minus 7 को 56 बनाना है. 7 8 is 56. Multiplied by 8. 4 into 8 and 7 into 8. Same यहाँ पे into 7 minus 2/7 into 8 into 8. 5 7s are 35. 4 8s are 32. The denominator comes to 56. 3 7s are 21. 2 8s are 16. The denominator comes to 56. 7 8s are 56. Further calculation, 35 minus 32, 3, 21 minus 16, 5. This is 3 by 56 and this is 5 by 56. The sacrificing ratio is 3:5. 3:5. अब हम देखो, हम 12th क्लास में हैं और हम कर क्या रहे हैं? वी आर सॉल्विंग दिस फ्रैक्शन ऑफ नियरली ऑफ 7th स्टैंडर्ड. Now a time will come when you will get frustrated of this. This subject is not new to you. Accountancy you know very well from your 11th class. एक टाइम आता है, ऐसा टाइम आता है जब आपको बहुत ज्यादा फ्रस्ट्रेशन होती है, आपका पेशेंस लेवल कम हो जाता है. You have got no option. आपको पेशेंस लेवल मेंटेन करना है. ये ऐसे प्रॉब्लम्स ही हमको सॉल्व करने हैं. This is at the basic level. See, even if you do higher courses, very मतलब जो regarded है, CA है, CS है, CW है, CMA, anything, ये बनने से पहले आपकी जो internship होगी ना, internship, this is the test of your patience. कुछ भी काम कराएंगे आपसे इस टाइम पे. They will ask you to write or draft letters. Letters टाइप करने के लिए बोलते हैं आपको. वाउचर का जेरोक्स निकालने के लिए बोलते हैं आपको. If you are losing patience here itself, think ये आप कैसे काम करोगे यहाँ पे. Do not lose your patience. ये ऐसे टाइम पास कैलकुलेशंस करते रहो whenever you get time. What we did in this, it was very simple. ये हमने पहले क्वेश्चंस में भी किया था. Sacrificing ratio. Only the question was not there. ये टेक्स्ट बुक का क्वेश्चन हम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं. इलस्ट्रेशन नंबर 6, 2 partners are given. 5:3 is the old profit sharing ratio. Bijoy is admitted for 1/7 share, and the new profit sharing is given in the question, 4:2:1. We are being asked to calculate the sacrificing ratio. The formula is old profit sharing ratio minus new profit sharing ratio. We'll prepare a table. ये टेबल बना दिया हमने जैसे बनाते हैं. ओल्ड प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो लिख दिया जितना था इनका. 5 + 3 is 5/8, 3/8. न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. जो क्वेश्चन में दिया है वही हम लिखेंगे, 4:2:1. फिर है ओल्ड रेशियो माइनस न्यू रेशियो. ये हमने लिख दिया. अब इसको कैलकुलेट करो. आफ्टर कैलकुलेटिंग वी आर गेटिंग 3:5. This was basic calculation of sacrificing ratio. We are moving forward with one more type. Now I am assuming you have understood it because बहुत ही basic है ये mathematics.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very easy. Illustration number 7. Again, this read the illustration. Amar and Bahadur are partners sharing profits in the ratio 3:2. Mary is admitted for 1/4 share. New profit sharing ratio is 2:1. Calculate sacrificing ratio. Same type of calculation. ठीक है. We will see the next question. Illustration number 8. We will have a look on it. Ramesh and Suresh are partner sharing profits in the ratio 4:3. The admitted Mohan as a partner. Profit sharing ratio is given. Calculate the sacrificing ratio. Again same. वही करना है तो एक इलस्ट्रेशन हम इलस्ट्रेशन नंबर 8 सॉल्व कर रहे थे. 7 you solve it by yourself. रमेश एंड सुरेश. ये रमेश एंड सुरेश ऐसे नाम रखते हैं लोग बोरिंग से. This textbook is very old. 4:3. No one keeps such names now. Ramesh and Suresh sharing profits and losses in the ratio 4:3. Admitted Mohan. Mohan is a new partner. Okay. New PSR is given. New PSR is given. 2:3:1. 2:3:1. Calculate sacrificing ratio. Now calculate. I'm calculating by myself. You calculate by yourself.
यस मैम।
ओके, फिर देखते हैं आंसर सेम आते हैं कि नहीं।
डन मैम।
Done? Are you getting this answer?
यस
10 by 42 and 3 by 42?
यस, -3। हाँ,
Minus 3 by 42.
मतलब कि गेन है ना मैम उसका।
Yes, this person, who is this? Suresh.
सुरेश।
Suresh is gaining. यानी कि जब ये महाराज, कौन महाराज, मोहन जब पार्टनरशिप में आ रहे हैं तो ये अपना कुछ शेयर सैक्रिफाइस ही नहीं कर रहे, उल्टा इनको 3/42 ज्यादा मिलेगा बाद में. He is not sacrificing anything for this new partner Mohan. Who is sacrificing 10/42? This Ramesh is sacrificing. Remember, do not change your formula for sacrificing ratio. आपने ये आपको लगा होगा suppose ये गलत है, but no, this is right. Old minus new. Now the formula for gaining ratio is new profit sharing ratio minus old profit sharing ratio. This we will do when we will do when some partner gets retired or if any partner succumbs to some death, injury, कुछ इनको हो जाता है तब. At that point of time, the existing partners may gain something, hence gaining ratio is calculated. तब formula change हो जाता है. But here, this is sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing is in negative, which means he is sacrificing 0. Whole sacrifice is given by Ramesh. Similar type of questions are given at your NCERT, this question and answer, numerical questions. Whenever you get time, just solve all the questions related to new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. Similar questions है, हमने ये solve कर रखे हैं अभी के अभी. One question is given, second question is ये given percent में है, but this is very simple. एक बार try कर लो solve करने का.
मैम कौन सा वाला?
Come to page number 159.
हाँ मैम.
Page number 159 and second question. A, B and C were partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:2:1. They admitted D for 10% of profits. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. 10% of profits bola hai. I'll just give you a hint. You used to do this in your mathematics class. If profit is 10%, 10% of profit. तो हम assume करते थे something. Let profit be 1. Something ऐसे करते let assume let profit be 1 or let profit be 100 ऐसा कुछ. Taking a base, you can solve it. Just try it. You will get the answer. Another topic which I want to teach you right now is Kanika has left. Okay, it's good. I'm recording the class for her. Now this is about your goodwill. Now goodwill is an intangible asset. It is an intangible asset, but this is a fixed asset. Let us understand what this goodwill is in terms of accountancy. अगर हमको record करना है तब तो goodwill को हम बोलते हैं it is an intangible asset because we cannot see or touch it. It is a fixed asset for us and it is a non-current asset. This is a non-current asset. How it is shown in the balance sheet? It is shown on asset side. Asset side में देखेंगे, asset side में आपका होगा non-current asset. Non-current assets में A, you will get fixed asset. Fixed assets में there are types. One is tangible. Tangible means your building, land, furniture, fixtures, and second will be intangible assets. Now, in this intangible assets, goodwill is shown. We have to do accounting for goodwill. Now, this accounting for goodwill is done as per your accounting standard. Accounting standard 26. हम जो भी यहाँ पे गुडविल के बारे में अभी बात करेंगे वो सारी बातें जहाँ पे लिखी गई है उसका नाम है अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड. वी फॉलो सम प्रिंसिपल्स for recording each and every transactions. फिक्स्ड एसेट का अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड है 10. इंटेंजिबल असेट्स, दिस इज इंटेंजिबल असेट्स, गुडविल के जितने भी ट्रांजैक्शंस हैं, जो भी रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस हैं, दोज आर मेंशन्ड इन अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड 26. Now, according to this standard, what is the meaning of goodwill? See, over a period of business, जब ये business चल रहा है, the business acquires something, acquires well reputation in the eyes of the people, in the eyes of the law, in the eyes of society. Because of this goodwill, because of this name and fame, the business operations or the products जो भी है वो मार्केट में उनका रेट बढ़ जाता है. The sale gets increased. Sometimes only because of this reputation. अब जैसे है जॉनसन बेबी. Now जॉनसन बेबी जो है, it mainly manufactures the products for kids, छोटे बच्चों के लिए. जॉनसन ऑयल, जॉनसन वो क्रीम, वो जो भी है, मसाज ऑयल, जो भी है, एनीथिंग. अब aren't there any other brand which manufactures such products? There are.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, there are some other business organizations which manufactures or which makes such products for kids. लेकिन नाम किसका है? जॉनसन बेबी का. We will purchase whatever thing, baby lotion, सब ये हम यहीं से खरीदेंगे. Only because of his reputation which it earned, because it was running for over a decade now. इनके प्रोडक्ट्स अच्छे थे, नाम था, पर्सन का नाम था. सेम एज द एग्जाम्पल आई प्रीवियसली गिव यू ऑफ नारायण मूर्ति. नारायण मूर्ति वॉज ऑफ इन्फोसिस. ये इन्फोसिस जो भी है अभी, आज जो कुछ भी है, इट इज ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ दिस नारायण मूर्ति. पेप्सिको इज ओनली, इट इज जो भी है कंपनी, इट इज अबाउट बिकॉज ऑफ इंदिरा नूई. इंदिरा नूई इनके वजह से है. टाटा ग्रुप इज नोन फॉर जमशेदजी टाटा, यस ऑब्वियसली, एंड फॉर रतन टाटा. इनके नाम में ही कुछ बात है. अब इनके वजह से क्या हो रहा है, ये अगर जैसे बोलते हैं ना, हीर रांझा ने, मजनू ने अगर कोई दुपट्टा खरीदा था लैला के लिए, उसको अगर आप बेचोगे यहाँ पे तो उसकी कीमत लाखों की है. दुपट्टे में क्या फर्क है? कुछ नहीं. लेकिन लिया किसने है? मजनू ने अपनी लैला के लिए. दिस इज द स्टोरी. Because of this, what is happening, the value of their assets, value of whatever they have earned has increased. But है क्या? दुपट्टा तो अभी भी 100 रुपए का ही है. तो ये 10,000 क्या है उसमें? दिस इज देयर गुडविल. इसके वजह से ये अमाउंट हो गई है 10,100 रुपए. अब अकॉर्डिंग टू AS, accounting standard 10 of fixed assets, we have to show the fixed asset as per their book value or market value. तो फिर भी लोग इतना पैसा देने के लिए क्यों तैयार है बिजनेस को? Just because of goodwill. And that is the reason why this intangible asset is recorded in our business. That is the reason we record it in the accounts book, in the accounts ledger, in monetary terms. In monetary terms में उसका recording होता है. AS 26 guides this. In partnership, goodwill is calculated at the time of reconstitution. Goodwill is always calculated at the time of reconstitution of your partnership firm. Reconstitution may be due to admission, may be due to retirement, may be due to death of a partner or change in profit sharing ratio. ये जब जब भी होगा तब तो गुडविल कैलकुलेट किया जाएगा. Now there are some methods to calculate this goodwill. कुछ भी हम ऐसे ही नहीं कर रहे हैं. There are some methods to calculate this goodwill. We have to value this goodwill. 3 methods are given here for valuation of goodwill. One is average profit method. Just listen it. We are not solving anything. Average profit method. Second is super profit method. Super profit method. And third is capitalization method. Profit, this is also capitalization of profit, capitalization of the average profit and super profit. Come to this. Goodwill हम कौन से basis पे calculate कर रहे हैं? We are calculating goodwill on the basis of profits. रतन टाटा का नमक है, टाटा नमक. We have टाटा नमक. इसकी
Yes.
ओके इसकी प्राइस है 60 रुपीज. और एक सादा कोई भी एक नई कंपनी आ गई सी वृषालीज नमक. आई एम गिविंग दिस, ये 60 का है देखो. आई एम गिविंग दिस रुपीज एट द रुपीज 40. लेकिन फिर भी लोग ये खरीदेंगे. ऑटोमेटिकली व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? Sales are increasing of Tata Namak, which is contributing to the increase in the profits of Tata Namak. Hence, whatever goodwill we are calculating, it is on the basis of profits. 3 methods are there: average profit method, super profit method, and capitalization method. Any doubt till here now?
No, ma'am.
No, we will see the formula in the next class. They should join.